Now the BFT motor programming. Just need to switch on the power supply, and power supply will be connected already given the sockets. Now there is three buttons, as you can see, up, down and OK. Just need to press OK for 5 seconds. This is asking for close limit. From the minus button, need to take the close door to the close position. Keep pressing until the door will close. As you can see, door is closing. Suppose this is your closing limit, just need to press OK button. Then this is asking for down. Down means down means, and as you can see in this, we have to rotate it like this. Pull this out and rotate. Pull this out and rotate. Pull out and rotate until you will find OK on display. OK. Now the open limit. Press the OK button. Door is opening until you find the opening. These are opening positions. Suppose this is your open limit. Once it achieved, just need to press the program button. Programmed. Again need to press the program button. OK. Auto means now this will automatically close and automatically open 3 times to check the positions of opening and closing.